Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm the Developer, and in this video I will teach you how to extract emails from websites using my tool Email Scraper. To install the tool, go and watch my past video, and without further ado, let's start. After the installation, you will face the login page. Click sign up and fill in the form. If you already signed up, like me, just log in. After the login, you will explore three pages. The main page called One Link, and then the history page, which is empty right now, and finally the multi-link page. So let's try to extract emails from this website using Email Scraper. First, you should copy the link and paste it in the One Link page. As you see, we just got 97 emails from the website, and let's click download to see them all. Now, let's try the same thing we did with another website. As you see, we got 0 emails from the website, but we saw emails in the website. To solve this problem, go to the website and click right, click inspect, and click this button, click a random email, and copy the element. Paste the element in this input and write the email of the element in the other input. After, we see that we got 135 emails. This case is called the encryption case. Let's try another website. In this case, the website gave us just 10 emails because to generate more emails you should click a button to load more. To solve this problem, you should click right in the button and click inspect and copy the XPath. Make sure it is a or button element. Choose the click option and paste the XPath in the last input. After some time, we got 98 emails. Let's try the same case with another website. Like the previous case, you should choose click and extract the XPath of the next button. In this website, the user should click the next button to see more emails, but the problem is that the XPath sometimes changes, and usually you should do it at the first iteration, and at the second iteration after the previous button appears, and at the iteration where the first 3 points appear, and at last the iteration where the last 3 points disappear. And for every XPath you extract, you should mention how many iterations the next button stays on that exact XPath, except for the last XPath. Another case is when there are multiple pages and there is an email in every page. You should click links and then copy the XPath of the page links and remove the brackets. In this case, I did not wait to extract all the 600 emails. I closed the window because it will take a lot of time, so I extracted just 10 emails. The last case is the link case and the click case combined. You should choose links, click, and like the link case, you should extract the XPath of all the links and remove the brackets, paste the XPath and return to the line and write 4 slashes and return again to the line and paste the XPaths of the button you should click. That's all the cases you can solve with the email scraper tool, and you can navigate a history of the past extractions and extract emails from multiple pages. That's all you need to know to use the email scraper tool. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.